everyone, it is I, Plush Chili, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Now today we are doing another Ratchet Let's Play. Yay, it's my turn to play this game. Ha ha ha! Yeah, I'm the most smallest nightmare animatronic in this pizzeria. I mean, in this house, basically. Ooh, now I can buy that. How much? Yeah, that's like 1,000 volts right there.
Ooh, that's
I don't like it! Buy that.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Shout out to Chase Norman Fangirl. Go subscribe to her channel. So it's not as effective. Yeah, this time I'm actually going to try to beat this. Yeah, get out of my way. I'm a girl animatronic. You don't mess with girls. Oh god, there's that tank again. Wow. I better reload all my weapons.
Oh, that's a nice one.
You wanna know what's something, Haley? You know that Vernon Wolf really loves you, right? He's always gonna be your boyfriend.
That's a real beauty.
Believe me. Oh, there's a health box over there. Oh yeah, more ammo. Yeah, more ammo for me. I hit that? No, I can't. Ah, it's one of them gold bells. Hey, that belongs to me anyway. Wow, oh, more bolts on the ground. Oh, that's very fabulous. Can't let Marty win. go up that way. I didn't realize that before, but this tank's in my way. Anything back here? Any health?
Blasted thing, it won't budge. I've tried everything I know short of nuclear weaponry. No, never mind.
Well, you tried. See ya.
Not so fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you. Aha! That ventilation shaft leads to the turret platform. Soldier, find a way to use that shaft to infiltrate the compound undetected. You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you. I intercepted this communique that you might find useful. Take it. I'm off to find my battalion. Good luck.
Hello once again, fellow blog. I hope this message finds you well. As many
Wow.
know, our
It's
home
that Turin Drac guy I'm going to destroy, obviously.
our laboratories and our happy lives because of the encroaching pollution, leaving much behind. Fortunately, the nearby planets will supply us with all we need to create our new home, which is nearing completion. Once our scientists locate the ideal orbit, our new world will be perfect. So reserve your space now. Prime locations are filling up fast. Good day.
Oh, these are one of these backtracking levels.
We must stop him. He won't rest until he has destroyed every planet in the galaxy.
Yeah? Well, I got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger than the galaxy.
Well, different fish anyway. Look, didn't that commando guy say we could get into that compound?
Yes, by using the ventilation shaft. But we will need something special to walk on that.
Fine. Let's get going then. We'll come back later.
You will need a pair of Gadgetron nanoboots to traverse this ventilation shaft.
Yep, I always knew that. I knew that was coming.
Do not detect any nanoboots on this planet.
So we're going to have to go to another whole new planet just to get what we want. Oh, hey, that can take me back to my ship. Okay, that's cool. I want to get back to my ship anyway. That's where I want to go. Let's see what time we're at. Oh, we're only at 9 minutes. Oh, it's a clank level. Oh, it's another clank level. I think the next animatronic's obviously going to do this on Monday because I don't want to do it. We might as well try to beat it. We'll try. If we die, then we'll come. think I'm just going to... I think I'm going to save it. No, I just have Burn Wolf. He always does this shit. Okay, I think that's going to be it. Alright guys, so please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe if you want to see some more Ratchet and Clank. Let us know in the comments below if you want Nightmare Wolf to do the next Let's Play. And I'll see you guys next time. Farewell everybody. I'll see you guys later.